once they own the fabric or the clothing, it has to be worn because we like it, and it's okay. What I would just advise is that whenever you want to wear an outfit, have an end goal in mind. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back once again. I make videos on my faith, my fashion, and a modest lifestyle. If you're interested in any of this content, do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. Today I'll be showing you how not to shop from your closet. I made a video previously on how you can shop from your closet, and I'll leave it linked up here somewhere. Do feel free to check it out and understand my perspective on how to shop from your wardrobe. Today I'm telling us how not to, and without further ado, let's dive into this video. So my first outfit here shows you the first representation of how not to dress from your wardrobe. Sometimes we have pieces, and good pieces, that by themselves stand alone pretty well, and when combined they just don't look good. So I'm going to start from my scarf. So for my scarf, when we have bad hair days, it's very natural to throw on a headscarf and do what you have to do and then go on with your day. But number one, if the scarf quality isn't good, if it's not tied well, if the color does not go with what you're wearing, it's more like a turn off rather than it being something that will draw people to you. Another thing that is wrong with this outfit is the fact that I wore a t-shirt instead of a camisole. A t-shirt is not a camisole. I say that again, a t-shirt is not a camisole. A camisole is meant to be worn under things that need some kind of covering, or it's just meant to help to accentuate your outfit, not to remove from it. So once you start wearing a t-shirt like this, number one, the neckline is pretty high. It's higher than the neckline of the dress. It's drawing unnecessary attention to yourself. Number two, the colors don't go. Number three, this has like an inscription on it. It's just a no-no. I see many of us make that mistake, and I think it's important for us to know that yes, it's good, we want to cover up, we want to look modest, we don't want to show our skin and all that. I agree with you, but it's more important to also cover up and still look good. Now, I love this dress. It's very easy. It's easy to throw on. It is very very nice, and it goes with a lot of things. But another common mistake I have seen is the fact that many people are, I would say, misinformed. I know that sport brands like Nike, Adidas, and the rest of them have been making sportwear, like footwear, that has become more like a trend, you know, and this trend is good because it's like encouraging one to wear comfortable shoes and all. But there is a big difference between their trainers line, the trainers line, and the sneakers line. And many people don't know that. As far as the sneakers is good and it looks sporty, we want to wear it. Now, something to pay attention to is that sometimes, most of the time, the trainers are a lot cheaper than the sneakers. Sneakers are meant to be worn with outfits, meanwhile, and they're more like statement piece, trendy pieces, although comfortable as well. Meanwhile, trainers are just meant to be worn to jog, for exercise, to the gym, and that kind of thing. It's not meant to be worn with outfits. So please, let's stay away from the trainers when we want to really dress up. And another thing I want to say that is wrong with this outfit is the socks. I can't seem to understand why we think wearing socks like this looks flattering. Number one, it's not, especially if you do not have a particular style you're going for in mind. This doesn't look nice. I know not everyone likes wearing pantyhose, or not everyone likes wearing tights, and that's fine. You can get knee-high socks to wear that will still look very nice, very pretty and presentable. I think in general this just shows that there's some things that don't just go together. They may be nice pieces by themselves, all together, which I've seen a couple of times, isn't one. So now, leave your comments also in the comment section below. Let's hear also how you would have styled this differently, or what you think about their outfit. Now let's go to our outfit number two. For the second outfit, what do you think the problem is? Just look closely and think, what do you think the problem is with this outfit? I will just tell you, The problem with this outfit is that the fit is poor. Number 2, the fabric is not great. And number 3, it falls under the category of I own it and I must wear it. It's my size. So we all have these pieces in our wardrobe. They don't look nice on us, they don't flatter us, they don't make us look better. It does not go with our body type. And if you haven't watched out my video on how to dress for your body type, I'm going to link it up here somewhere. This fabric isn't great. I don't like the fabric. I don't like the way it's cut. It's not flattering for my body type. It's not in any way nice. If I'm being very kind to myself at the moment, yeah, it fits okay, but it's not flattering. It's not serving me. I would not want to look grumpy and frumpy because I bought it. So second, people that shop from their wardrobes even when they're not meant to be shopping from it, or people that keep items that they know doesn't fit me, doesn't fit my body's type, my style at the moment. Everything just doesn't look well. So for me, this one is poorly made in terms of the cut. The cut for this dress is not great. Where the shoulders stop isn't good fit. The stitching at the shoulder should be somewhere here and it's all the way down here, so that's a no-no. So it shows that the dress isn't my size. We all have things in our wardrobes that we mustn't touch. It just has to go. So please don't shop from them. Yeah, let's go on those items now. This third outfit is for a category of people that shop from their closet and they do not shop for occasion appropriate items, and also as far as they own the fabric or the clothing, it has to be worn because they like it, and it's okay. What I would just advise is that whenever you want to wear an outfit, have an end goal in mind. Know where you're going. Whether are you going to the office? This I don't think will work for the office. Number 1, it's not smart. Number 2, the proportions are wrong. Number 3, the fabrics don't go. Number 4, it's busy. Now, will each piece be able to go? Probably. It depends on how you style it. Like this, it looks like I wanted to wear a casual outfit and I did not complete that look because it's a t-shirt. I didn't complete that look and I changed my mind. I have this jacket, I'm gonna put it on it. I have this skirt, maybe it should go because they have similar patterns. Yes, the patterns in both items are the same. An owl street pattern, which is very classic, it's beautiful, it's timeless, it works very well, but these don't go because there's no underlying commonality in terms of the colors. Even if you have a hound street pattern, maybe blazer that's the same thing as this one, but the patterns are a little bigger, please don't wear them because they don't go together. It shows that they are not the colors, the patterns go but the color doesn't. So this is a no-no. Number 2, even if I was to style it like this, I think it's okay, but I'm not saying in terms of color, I'm talking about in terms of proportion. But number 1, my body type has to be one that can carry and wear this comfortably. If your body type can't do this, don't wear this. If you're not on the tall side, you're going to drown wearing something like this. Even if you're on the tall side, your body type also matters. If you have like you are big around the midsection, having a belt like this that accentuates that midsection is not good, especially if it's tight. Another thing I would say is you don't always have to shop from the things you have. It's good to go to the shops, buy things you like, but every time you buy something you like, make sure you have something in your closet you can wear with it, or be open to buying something that you can wear with it. Another thing I would say, a tip I would give if I'm to style this differently, I would change my skirt. If I want to wear this blazer, maybe a white skirt or a neutral or basic color, which is black, and I would wear with this, or even one of the colors I can find from this blazer by pulling out a color, and that would go perfectly. Or wear just a plain white dress and that would work. Or alternatively, if I wanted to keep the skirt and then take off the blazer, what I would do is go for a simple solid color and that would work properly. Or you can just take off the blazer and not wear it. Because you own it, because it's in your closet, does not mean you always have to wear it. For this fourth look, I guess everyone has kind of made a mistake or two when it comes to this. Number one, proportions. It's good to have like a big, flowy, easy to wear blouse, but when you pair it with something that is flowy, this is a pretty decent example of a skirt that would go with it because it's pretty straight. But the only problem I have with skirts like this that you find on the high street is that they sell long skirts, but at the end of the day the lining is pretty short, and that means we can see your legs. It's as good as wearing a short skirt. So the only thing you can do to help that is you can also go to the shops and try to get all the stretchy midi skirts that are thin enough, and you can wear it on the inside to help to double up and cover and make it not modest. Or the second alternative is if you have an underskirt, you can just throw on an underskirt and wear that, and it would work perfectly. Another thing I want us to look at in this outfit is the proportions. Don't wear an A-line skirt with this because it's going to look very funny. A straight skirt will do you good. Now the third thing I would say is scarves. Many people that leave their scarves like this, I think it's an issue of preference, and I'm not here to tell you what to do or what not to do, how to dress or how not to dress. I think individually there's a thing of individual preference even when it comes to dressing. The Bible is the standard. The Holy Spirit is there to guide us to dress individually, to represent our individual personalities and all, but also it's just to be guided, and the scarf is not much of a big deal. But if I'm to give you if I'm to give you my own opinion on the type of scarves you can even leave out like this, choose scarves that are of good quality. The fabric of the scarf matters a lot. Don't just buy any scarf that has very wrong finishing. And even if it does have a wrong finish, you just know how you can tie the scarf and make it look neat and decent. The moment everything is everywhere, it becomes too distracting, and then we can't really enjoy a well thought through outfit. Yes, I wore the shoes, it goes with the blouse, but then there is black, there is blue, navy blue, there is white, there is a bit of beige, then there is a bit of it's nude, then the scarf is very busy. For me, it's too busy. This outfit is too busy. In terms of colors, can I close an eye to it? Maybe, but it would be very hard to close an eye to. So I believe that if we want to dress well, too much is not good, less is always more. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Let's chat about some of the mistakes you probably made or some you have actually seen, and how you plan to correct them. And if you know people that actually make some of these mistakes because they do not know, please do them a favor to share the video to them, not in an offensive way, but so that we can all grow and learn as we become better. Until next time, stay blessed and see you. Bye bye.